Which compound has non-mobile pi electrons? Which one of the following compounds has non-mobile pi electrons? Let us see the matter. Which one of the following compounds has non-mobile pi electrons? Non-mobile. Let us see. A. C2H6. This is ethane. C2H6. Ethane. This is a compound. It has even no pi electrons. Then B. So A has no pi electrons. B. C3H8. C3H8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is propane. This is also a compound. It has even no pi electrons. Then C. C is C6H6. This is actually benzene. It has pi electrons, 6 pi electrons. But these electrons move continuously. These electrons are on movement continuously. So it has pi electrons but not non-mobile. So this is not correct. The question is, which compound has non-mobile pi electrons? Now D. D is C2H4. This is ethene. Structure formula is this: C2H4. H4. Now it has pi electrons, and which is non-mobile. That is D. Ethene, which has non-mobile pi electrons. Thank you for watching.